Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Saturday night, 9:30 p.m. right now. Today was good prank day. Like I went to this morning. I did the Jennifer Lopez, some language, man. I don't even know what the language is. It's really good song. I made a public singing on that, and it's really good. The videos came really good. I just uploaded that, edited that, and from morning I didn't eat anything. Didn't eat anything. Now my mom is getting my food ready, so I'm really hungry to eat that. And that's how the day went. Made that prank, feeling good about that. And tomorrow I'm gonna do Kiki, treks, Kiki public. I'm thinking about going to Finch Station to do that. Let's see how it's gonna go. Finch Station also. By Finch Station, this malls also near to that. What is that? This one, Eaton Center, Toronto Eaton Center. That is also in Dundas, so I will go there as well to complete that. That's how tomorrow is gonna go. And next week I might work as well. Like my target is $680. I might work or do something to make that money. Flipping is easy, but let's see how to do that. All the way possible and faster. That's my target. Today I'm going to talk about don't compare yourself to others. People compare with money. Has this much money, and he's like, he look at his friend, and he's worried. Like, first of all, fuck money. Fuck money, bro. Because money is not main thing. Your aim should be happiness. That's first thing. Not everybody has money is really happy. You might have a career that you like and you make money doing that, then you're happy. Yeah, that's good. But not all the people who has money is happy. Like, people who has money are miserable as fuck as well. They have money but they do some shit just for the money. So don't compare yourself to others, because you never know, they are faking. If you see someone, you may think from outside, but they are better at faking than you. Everybody has their own shit they are dealing with. They are better at faking it than you. So first of all, don't compare yourself to others. Focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. Fuck money, bro. Fuck that shit. And that's the thing. That's my topic today. See you guys later.